Okay. This one.
Harry likes to walk his dog.
Good job. Harry likes to walk his dog. Okay, two boxes for you. 1, 2. Good job, Rauhah. Okay, next. This one.
Sometimes they take a short walk to the mall.
Good. Sometimes they take a short walk to the mall. Okay, two boxes for you. 1, 2. Good job, Rauhah. Okay, next. This one.
At the mall, Harry likes to buy popcorn and a small store.
Okay, at the mall, Harry likes to buy popcorn at a small store. Okay, good. Two boxes for you. Okay, next. This one.
He can see a man selling some ball.
Okay, read this word again.
Selling.
No, good. He can see a man selling some balls. Okay, two boxes. 1, 2. Good job, Rauhah. Okay, next. This one. Read. Next.
Harry likes to talk to the man at the store.
Harry likes to talk to the man at the stall. Good job. Okay, two boxes for you. 1, 2. Next. Okay, next. Next.
At other time, Harry and his dog like to play ball with Jane and on the lawn.
Good. At other times, Harry and his dog likes to play ball with Jean on the lawn. Okay. So you can move two boxes more. 1, 2. Good job. Okay. One more. Okay, next. This one. Three.
Yesterday, they playing ball together.
Okay. Read this one again.
Play.
Yesterday they played ball together. Okay, you have reached the star. Okay, good.